Do you know you can easily see which part of your image are in focus when using manual focus on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? With focus picking, your camera highlights the areas that are in focus, making it easier to get sharp results. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open the Camera Assistant app. Under the focus section, tap Focus Picking in Pro Mode. Here you will find several options to customize it. You can turn on Always Show Focus Picking, so the focus highlights are always visible when using manual focus. Next, you can choose the color of the focus picking. For example, you can select green, red, yellow, blue, or white depending on what stands out best in your scene. You can also adjust the line thickness using the slider. Slide it to the left for thinner lines or to the right for thicker lines. This helps you clearly see which part of your subject are in focus. As a note, you can also access Camera Assistant through the Camera app setting. And that's how you customize focus picking in Pro Mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.